Make a great choice today with the 2019 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.